other day when I was talking about the importance of your physical space, and I was talking about how it's good to have things to look forward to, made me think about making a video on the importance of goals. I think, we spend a lot of our day just on autopilot, going to work, coming home, doing our stuff at home, going on our phone, going to bed. A whole lot of our life is just like doing what needs to be done because it needs to be done, and that's life. I'm not going to say too much about that, but you know those memes where it's like when you're like looking forward to a package arriving in the mail, so you can hold on for one day more because you have something coming in tomorrow. We need goals in our everyday life. I mean, they don't need to be big goals. You don't need to say, I'm going to buy the Taj Mahal in 5 years. But just having a little goal every day, I think, adds a lot more, drive to your everyday life. It gives you something to look forward to. It's a little, not only challenge to help you grow, but a little positive piece of your day. Like, for example, you could set a goal of, in a week, you're gonna learn how to cook a new food. You can say, in a week, I'm gonna learn how to make curry. And so every day you can work on making curry, or a few days in the week, until you know how it's done, and you're like, wow, I learned something. I did something for myself because I wanted to do it, and look at this. I put my mind to it and I did it. Go me. I'm so awesome and cool, and I know how to do this now. Of course, setting long-term goals is really important. I have a list of goals that I want to achieve by the time that I am 35, which sounds kind of weird to already have goals like that, but they're very intensive ones, like learning languages and stuff like that. And I don't know, judge me if you want, I guess. But setting little goals, in weekly and even monthly increments, does a lot for your self-worth. You really can prove to yourself how much you can get done in a day, in a week, in a month. And it's good to feel accomplished and productive and wow, I did this and this is so cool. For the month of January, I did yoga with Adrian's 30 Days of True program, and being able to say wow, I did yoga every day for 30 days. I didn't even miss a single day. It feels good. Not only does the physical act of getting exercise every day and feeling stronger and more flexible and yada yada yada, being able to be I did this and that's cool is nice, I guess. I think that an important thing to take into this new year, even though it's February, is set goals for yourself. Set small daily goals for yourself. It can be as simple as, I'm setting a goal to wash and put away my laundry today. Perfect. That's a great goal. And when you do that, you can be like, hell yeah, I did my laundry. I feel so good. And set a small, medium-sized goal for the week. This week, I'm going to clean out my closet. Then in the month, set a medium-sized goal this month I will save $50. And then, you can work at your daily goal every day, your weekly goal during the week, and your monthly goal. Maybe even if you want, make all of those goals work towards the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Like, choose something that can be broken up into choose a big picture that can be broken up into a little picture and combine them. And then you can be like, wow, I did all of this thing. I did all of these things in a day, and a week, and a whole month. And if you really want to go big or go home, you could set like a really big goal through the year. Like, you can be like, this year I'm going to learn how to code. Like, I'm going to learn basic code and get pretty good at it. And that's totally possible. And it'll give you something to work on every day and something to feel proud of yourself for and feel accomplished and productive. And feeling those things is great, and it feels great, and you can pat yourself on the back and give yourself a little love and be like, wow, me, you're so cool and awesome and productive. I'm really proud of you. And then you can be like, thanks, me, I'm really proud of me. You can have that exact conversation with yourself, and it'll go great. You won't look like a fool. I don't know. Hopefully you get what I'm putting down. You get the message. You receive the message I'm trying to transmit. I think it's important to have stuff to look forward to accomplishing like that, Because then when you do it, you're like, wow, this is great. You can live your whole life without goals if you want, but I don't think that's very practical for your health all around. I think it's important to realize you deserve things and deserve to work hard at them and be proud of what you do. Other people can do that, so what makes you any different, Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. Share, you know what? Share with me any goals that you have at all down below. Share them if you want. If you don't want to, that's okay, but I'd like to hear them. I want to listen. I don't mind listening. So share your goals if you have any. And you can feel good in sharing them, We'll be a cool goal-oriented little partnership. Alright? I don't know. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later.